Alright, hey everyone, in this particular video we are discussing how to do backtesting using Python. In previous video of this particular playlist we have discussed what is a strategy that we have attached and will be backtesting on. So we want to learn backtesting using Python. If you have not checked out the previous video, do check it out because you will be getting the idea of what a strategy is and how do you get the data for this particular backtest. Moving towards the coding part of it, we'll be importing the essential libraries. The very first of the three libraries are Pandas, NumPy and Pandas TA. We'll be using Pandas TA because it helps us to get the indicator values. Indicator we are using in this particular code is EMA, Exponential Moving Average. So Pandas TA, that is the library that we are using, will allow us and will give us the EMA values of a particular data set. So let's import our libraries. So once you have imported your libraries, then we'll import a dataset. Now the dataset, the link for the dataset is also given in the description, so you can download directly from there. We are using Nifty Futures dataset, so you can download Nifty Futures dataset. I have already downloaded it in my PC, so I'll be using directly from it. So I'll name my variable as df equal to pd.readcsv. pd.readcsv basically fetches the data frame, the CSV file. df.head. So I'll just verify if my data has been downloaded, fetched correctly or not. Yes. So Nifty Futures dataset was there, and Nifty Futures dataset has been imported to my df variable. Moving further ahead, now this particular strategy was on 15-minute time frame, and this data frame that we have got, the data set that we have got, is in 1 minute time frame. As you can see, 1/1/2019, 9:15, then 9:16, then 9:17. So our strategy is basically on 15-minute time frame. So we need to convert this particular data set to 15-minute time frame. So we'll resample this particular data frame. Okay, so now what we'll do is convert this data frame that is on 1 minute time frame. As you can see, 9:15 df.head. It is in 1 minute time frame, 9:15, 9:16, 9:17. We'll convert it into 9:15, 9:30. That is 15-minute time frame. So the order will be 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, and so on. So how do we convert this into a 15-minute time frame? We write, then we call an aggregator function. Now the aggregator function combined with a resample function will give you the combined data frame which is in a 15-minute time frame. The code is as follows. Now we also need to convert this into a datetime index. Right now this is a string. We need to convert it into a datetime index so that the parsing can be made easier. Does have a function called toDateTime which converts the string which is in a format given which will specify it into datetime. The format we use here is DMY, and we have hours. Now we use TA.resample function. This function basically converts your 1 minute time frame into 15-minute time frames. So we need to specify 15 MIN, and then origin, what we want is resample from start. Aggregator we are using as AZZ, and I just want to clear if any found. Now let's see what happens. Now you'll see the time frame has been changed, 9:50, 9:30, 9:45, 10, 10, 15. It has converted to 15-minute time frames. Being open as open, high will be the max of it. That is right now here it was max. Low is something changed, and close is again 15-minute time frames. So it has converted from 1 minute time frame to 15-minute time frame. Now what we need to do is take out the EMA. Now we'll be taking out the EMA. EMA can be calculated using Pandas TA, and it has a function called EMA. So we'll apply TA dot EMA. we have to pass close, and the length is 5 for first one, LENGTH, and this will be named as 5 EMA and DF 11 EMA. Now you'll notice we have a data frame of a 15-minute time frame with the EMA values. The first 4 is NaN value because it takes 5 closing values. So it took 5 closing values and then it took out the EMA. Certainly 11 EMA will be at 11th position of the index. Now our data is prepared and we can iterate over it and get the backtested result. So this was your data processing where we changed the data from 1-minute time frame to 15-minute time frames. We got the indicator values. Similarly, if you want to use another indicator such as super trend, SMA, WMA, and etc., you can use the TA function. So TA library, TA will call TA.supertrend if you write. So let's just take an example, TA.supertrend. So here you can pass on the high, low, close, length, and it will give you the super trend values. So similar things you can do to get the indicator values. So this video was all about changing the time frame from 1 minute to 15 minutes. Reverse might not be possible because the data loss is there. We got the indicators. You learned how to get the indicator values. In the next video, we'll be doing the backtesting and getting the metrics out of it.